Welcome back. NCP has demanded thorough probe in infrastructure built during Lusofonia Games. Party demands that various stadiums and tracks built for the games should be made available for the Goan players who represent state and nation at the various levels. He also urged CM Parrikar to assure Goans that Mutalik and Ramseni will be banned in the state.
This indoor stadium where table tennis and badminton was being, where students, upcoming new talents, developing talents, state players were practicing, was closed in last March in the name of renovation for Lusofonia Games. He was synthetic track for tourist attraction was also museum, येऊन लोकांना पोहोचण्याचे विषय बायला बाहेर राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस मागता सरकाराकडे की वो सिंथेटिक ट्रॅक जी आसा तो ताबडतोब ओपन कर पूण इतले कोट्यांनी मोडप आणि ते बंद दवरप द स्विमिंग पूल मेंटेनन्स इज वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट तू भुरग्यां पळयतले जी स्विमिंगाक वयतात कोणा स्किन ट्रबल कोणाचे दोळ्यांक ट्रबल entire Lusofonia infrastructure built, there should be a thorough probe. NCP demands that open up especially Bangladesh infrastructure to the schools and colleges, to the top athletes, to the top students.
NCP urged CM to ban Ramseni in Goa.
And I appeal to the Chief Minister of Goa within 48 hours and reduce the anxiety in the minds of the people that such a man will not be permitted under his reign. He should use the law. If Ravi Naik as the Home Minister could use the law and Mutalik could not challenge it in a court of law and get into entry, then what is the difficulty? So he has not come here as a Hindu sadhu. He has come here as a AICC observer. He cannot talk of good Hinduism. He should do that. Go and do that and tell Madam Gandhi, Ram Ram.
Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Portugal have followed Spain, England and Italy out of the FIFA World Cup as Cristiano Ronaldo's team failed to improve their goal difference. Germany's victory over USA had thrown a lifeline to Portugal, but Ronaldo missed plenty of chances and Portugal could only manage a 2-1 victory over Ghana when they needed a big win to take them above USA. As a result, USA entered the pre-quarterfinals along with leaders Germany. Algeria's 1-1 draw against Russia was enough for the Arab nation to move into the last 16 stage for the very first time. Germany will play Algeria while USA will clash with Belgium in the knockout stage. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.